Jordan 1s you should buy during the sneaker market crash. Let's do it. This list is just my opinion. These are just my thoughts on sneakers. Air Jordan 1s I think you guys should buy during the sneaker market crash. Starting off with the Air Jordan 1 patent bread. Prices have really dropped on this Air Jordan 1. You can get them for around $200 to $250. And for the bread colorway, I think that's a steal. That's a great price. Yes, they're very shiny. They're out there. They may not be for everybody, maybe not an everyday wear, but it's a very classic, iconic colorway. This is the bread 1 after all. It's not a wannabe bread. It is the bread 1. Market was $350, $400 plus. It has dropped, really crashed hard now to around $200 to $250. I think now's a really good time to buy this beautiful Air Jordan 1. I do think one day they will go back up in price. This is the bread 1 after all. Market is still pretty high on this Air Jordan 1, but they definitely have dropped in price. The Air Jordan 1 University Blue. Whenever they put University Blue on a hype model like the Air Jordan 1 in this color blocking like this, it's gonna do well, it's gonna do numbers. Market has dropped a little bit on these. I do think it will definitely go back up. I don't think they'll stay at under $400 for too long at all. This is a beautiful Air Jordan 1. Quality's nice, very wearable. That UNC just really pops. Quality's nice, quality control with glue. Some pairs have a lot of glue, but this is definitely a beautiful Air Jordan 1 that I definitely see holding price at, a little under $4 right now, and definitely just going back up. This is a very beautiful Air Jordan 1. These are fire, straight fire. Don't sleep. And don't forget about the University Blue Air Jordan 1s. I want to interrupt this video real quick to let you guys know about some giveaways here on the channel. I want to roll the clip from the giveaway winner of the infrared 4s. Oh, I gotta make the volume louder. Here we go. Yo,
what's up?
I got good news for you, bro.
Really?
Yes, 215 shoes, right? That's your Instagram?
Yep.
Okay, cool. I got good news for you. Guess what?
What's up?
You won the giveaway for the infrared 4s.
No way!
Yes, sir.
No, that's sick,
Yes,
bro.
sir. Yes, sir. You won. Let me get your address. Just DM me everything, your address and everything. I'll get them sent out to you. You do not have to pay for anything. I want to make that very clear. I pay for shipping. There's scammers out there right now trying to... Yeah, it's crazy. So I know you DM me about it a few times, so it's absolutely crazy. But yeah, everything's free. All right. So send me your address. Where are you located, by the way? Are you in the States?
Yeah, I'm in PA. Yeah.
Oh, you're in Pennsylvania. Okay, cool. I'm in Jersey, so you'll probably get them like in a day or two.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Thank you, brother. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching the channel, supporting me for. It's been a long time now.
Yeah. I've actually been entering in all the giveaways that you posted. I'm just actually blown away right now.
Yeah, you DM me a lot, so yeah, thank you, brother. I appreciate you, and yeah, congrats on winning.
Thank you.
Thank you, brother. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, peace. That was awesome. I absolutely love giving back to you guys. So make sure you guys enter in the new giveaway for the Military Black Air Jordan 4. All you guys need to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Air Jordan 4 Military Black. This giveaway ends at the end of July. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Military Black Air Jordan 4s. Good luck. This video is sponsored by Soul Premise, the best sneaker bags in the game. Check this out. Soul Premise bags. This is the daily bag. It's amazing. Every Soul Premise bag has compartments to store your sneakers when you're traveling. So right here I have a pair of Nike Dunks. On the bottom I also have a pair of Air Jordan 1s. I have room for my laptop, clothes, anything I need. This is just the daily bag. There's more compartments in the front. They also make a bigger bag as well that holds even more pairs of sneakers. They also make duffel bags, carry-on bags, luggage bags, all different types of bags. All Soul Premise bags are TSA approved, so you can carry them with you on the plane. I definitely recommend checking out Soul Premise with my link down below in the description, and use the code DannyMoore at checkout. That code, my name, Danny Moore, will give you 40% off your entire order from soulpremise.com. This right here is the daily bag in white. I love it so much. I have it in this yellow mustard color as well. Soul Premise has a ton of different bags, all different colors, all different styles. They all have compartments to store your sneakers. These bags are perfect sneakerheads. When you're traveling, make sure you guys travel with Sole Premise sneaker bags. Click my link down below. Danny Moore, 40% off your entire order. Thank you, Sole Premise. Now let's get back to this straight fire video. This next Air Jordan 1 is a collab Air Jordan 1, and I'm shocked to see these going for $300 or less. It's absolutely crazy to me. The Alma Mater Air Jordan 1. I'm shocked that these have honestly dropped that much in value. They were going for around $350, $400. Now they're at like $270 in the smaller sizes and around $300 in the bigger sizes. The hype and demand for the Air Jordan 3 Alma Mater was very high. Those have actually increased in value. The Air Jordan 1 has actually decreased a little bit. The Air Jordan 2 is not really going for too much over retail plus tax and shipping at all, but it is the Air Jordan 2. The Air Jordan 1, man, I'm shocked. I'm shocked to see these where they're at. This is a very dope collab Air Jordan 1. If you want a collab Jordan 1 that's very wearable, I think this is definitely a go-to right now. This is one Air Jordan 1 on the list. I'm very shocked to see the value where they're at right now. It's just shocking. Even during the crash right now, shocking to me to see these. The hype and the collab of Alma Mater going for like $300, if not less. That's wild to me. This next Air Jordan 1 is going for under retail in almost every size. And it's shocking because it's a black, red, and white Air Jordan 1. The Heritage Air Jordan 1 has not been doing well on the market at all. This is a nice Air Jordan 1, a very wearable Air Jordan 1. If you want red, black, and white, those traditional colors on the Air Jordan 1 for a good price, a steal price, this is your sneaker to buy right now. This is the Jordan 1 High OG. This is the hype model, and they're not going for even retail really on the market. They are similar to the Travis Scott Fragments. There are some subtle differences like the swoosh, of course, backwards swoosh on those, blue, and then the other swoosh is red where it's black on the Travis Scott Fragment. But other than that, the colorway, the color blocking is very similar. These are not going for much on the market. Buy these during the market. I definitely think, hey, one day these will go up in price. They will definitely see $200 one day. It will take time during the market crash right now especially, but this is a very nice Air Jordan 1 nonetheless. And this is a Jordan 1 I will be keeping. I'll be putting these to the feet very, very soon. These are very clean. I like these Air Jordan 1s a lot. These are fire, straight fire. And to get them for under retail, it's a steal. You can't go wrong. These next two Air Jordan 1s are behind me. Let me show you guys these fire, straight fire Air Jordan 1s. These are heat. These are still expensive even though the market has dropped. The Travis Scott Fragment Air Jordan 1 Low. These have actually dropped in price recently. You can get them for around $1,500, $1,600 depending on the size. It's absolutely crazy to me to see them really drop like that. They were hitting like $2,000 and now they've dropped a little bit during the crash. They've dropped a few $100s. We do have the reverse mochas coming out. Let me know if those are a cop or a drop down below. I definitely am looking forward to picking those up. But yeah, it's definitely shocking to see these actually drop a little bit in price. They still have gone up since release, but they've actually dropped a little bit during the sneaker market crash right now. If you want these, I suggest buying them. I do see them eventually going back up to around $2,000. It's a fire, straight fire pair of Air Jordan 1 lows. And the next pair of Air Jordan 1s, the Trophy Rooms. This is mind-blowing to me. This is like a $1,500 shoe now, guys. Trophy Rooms have really plummeted. They were at one point over $3,000. They were steady at a little over $2,000. Then dropped down to about $2,000, $1,800, $1,900, and now they're at about $1,500 during the sneaker market crash. If you want these, buy them. Trophy Rooms, back to like $1,500. I know resellers were paying that for the back door. That's absolutely crazy. Trophy Rooms have really dropped during the sneaker market crash. Jordan 1s you guys should buy during the sneaker market crash. There you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you guys smash that like button and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys want me to do this video again with just sneakers in general, not only Air Jordan 1s, but just sneakers in general you guys should buy during the sneaker market crash. Do not forget to enter in the free military black Jordan 4. Like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Air Jordan 4 military black. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching.